Hey everybody, this is Daniel and Kelly from Fitness Blender. Just wanting to check in with you guys, make sure everybody's safe, and let you know we've got a little bit of a discount going on over at Fitness Blender.
Yeah, so right now we're offering 70% off of 4 of our most popular programs. It's FB Bodyweight, no equipment at all, FB Sweat, which is a combination of HIIT and strength training, FB Strong, which is strength training based, and then FB Low Impact, which is meant for beginners or those who are trying not to make their neighbors angry.
So we have had a lot of influx of new people from those having to either already full in quarantine or just work restrictions of people having to work from home. So we thought we'd try to help people out by giving them a low-cost option to try to get into a nice routine, because we know that physical activity can really help a lot with overall stress and anxiety and that kind of thing.
Mental and physical well-being. You guys know this. You know how you feel when your workout's done. And keep in mind, it doesn't have to be, this isn't really a time for gains. You know, it's good enough just to move, just a little bit of movement, smart movement that makes you feel good. It doesn't have to be brutalizing yourself or anything like that.
Right.
And we're also going to, if we can, we're in Washington State, and things are weird here right now, as they are in so many other places of the world. But if we can, if everything goes as planned, we are intending to stick to our normal release schedule with free workout videos. So we're hoping that having something to focus on might be good for us as well, and maybe help keep you moving too.
That's right. So go grab one if you're looking for something to do and you don't really want to take the time to put a program together for yourself. Otherwise, please enjoy our free content. That's what it's there for.
Yes, please take care of yourselves. Eat well, keep your stress low, and try to be kind to yourself through this period.
All right. Thanks,
Crazy
guys.
times.
Keep safe. Bye. Even though things are a little stressful, we do have this guy over here who is not stressed at all.
It helps.
Yes, he's just getting his nap in.
Do you hear that? He's actually snoring right now.
Yeah. Pets are a good stress reliever too, so go give your pet a hug.